everybody, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things, and I have just a really quick video. I know I promised for Valentine's a final showcase of the cards that I made with this month's Paper Pumpkin kit. It ended up that time got away from me, and I have now company coming next week right after Valentine's instead of coming in April, so I had to stop doing Valentine's and start frantically getting prepared for them. Like, we didn't even have a guest bedroom set up, so we didn't even have a bed, but now we do. And I'm back to Valentine's, and I took the materials and wanted to of course make these Avid cards for my own giving. So rather than cut a bunch more materials, I had a brainstorm and thought it was a great idea, and I went through my paper pumpkin supplies from the last 6 years. The very first year that we traveled, which was 2017, everything was lost. The trailer was in an accident, and so you can go read up about that I have videos on that way back when. So that is water under the bridge. Now I have 6 years worth of supplies, so I went and pulled all 6 years of Valentine's, and I have already videoed the storage that I use. These were, yes, in my trailer, but kind of buried in in an inaccessible place. So now that I'm in this nice big crafting space in our screen room overlooking our trail, I was able to easily grab all of these. I have not put the 2023, which is the most recent one. So I actually already have 6 years worth from 2018 to 2022, and then I have this 7th edition for the 7th year. And I also found in the boxes where I had the stamps in one box, I had the extra supplies in a second box. In the second box, I also had any extra cards that I had made that I use and I pull for giving out to my Paper Pumpkin Perks program. So that's where, if you subscribe to me as your demonstrator for Paper Pumpkin and you keep it ongoing, every 6 months you're going to get a sampling of the cards that I make that you guys see on screen each month. And then I also, in the every 3rd month, send a thank you card. And then if there's a new catalog, you'll also get catalogs from me, of course. If you make any purchases from me, you also get the free gifts that come with the regular purchase program that I have. So back to what my brainstorm was. I am going to, for the major events, now that I am in a space where I have more room to have things more accessible, I will create a box like this that I have pulled all of the over the years, not current, over the years, like for Easter, I will pull all of Easter, and I will pull all of the Christmas holiday ones, I will pull all of the Thanksgiving ones, I'll put them all together so that I can more easily access them. And then when I'm doing my bulk creation of the cards that I want to send, which in the past I typically have not always used Paper Pumpkin cards for sending for certain events, but I am going to start doing this because I have all these materials to use up. So one of the things that I did, I pulled out all of the embellishments and I dated them so that I know which year they go with, and I used those to dress up my cards. So I'm going to stop here. I just wanted to explain the strategy. I have 16 cards. I may not actually, well, I'll try to put the dates on for you of which year of Valentine it was for, so that if you already have it, you want to go back and look at that particular kit because you have it boxed away like I did, somewhere so deep in your closet you can't get to it. And then I will also have, there's a couple of cards that I just pulled from my permanent stash, just left over. They are not even from Paper Pumpkin, but there's only a couple of those. And I do not have my carrots. I have a video for my carrots, and I did not take photography of my carrots card. If you're curious about that, it's a celebration item, and you can go see what that's all about of my series of using carrots for a variety of events for card making. So that's all I got. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the showcase. And as always, thanks for watching.